Yeah, I am just taking a 10-minute break. I'll be back at the counter after that. Hi. So I saw my friend Weber make some videos. Man called Australia, the best country for students. Be it cricket field or YouTube videos, these Aussie supporters are always chirping. But guess what? Australia is not the only country that has jobs for international students. The UK is no less. And I'm going to show you how you can score a job in this great country during my 10-minute shift break. हाँ, job important है, but एक Aussie को उसको reply देना is even more important. We have the Big Ben. अरे ये वाला नहीं है, ये वाला. We have the greatest cook. ये वाला नहीं यार, ये वाला. But we also have one of the most expensive cost of living and ever-increasing competition. हाँ, यही वाला. So, you need to make that extra buck and gain some experience on the side with part-time jobs and internships. Let's get going. We start with part-time jobs. With chasing every store owner around your house help? Maybe. But before we do that, make sure you have your NI number, passport, BRP card, and address proof. But bro, मेरे पास तो address proof नहीं है, मेरे पास permanent address नहीं है. Bro, just show your bank statement. They'll work. And there's one more thing you need to keep in mind. The UK student visa allows you to work for only 20 hours a week during your term years. And by work, they mean both paid and unpaid work. So if you're like an English all-rounder and you want to do college work, internships, traveling, everything, then just divide your hours accordingly. But just like cricket, there's not much work during the winters. So August to November and April to July are the best time to make that extra buck. Buck se yaad aaya, if I don't finish this fast enough, I'm going to lose out on some bucks. Okay, pay attention. Here's how it works in here. Recruiters hire agencies to get them candidates for jobs, and agencies hire you. मैं समझाता हूँ. Think of these agencies as Mumbai ke brokers. Think of companies as Mumbai ke house owners, and think of yourself as an outstation student looking for a house. So companies get in touch with agencies get in touch with you get the job, and the agency get the commission. It's a win-win situation. And how do you get in touch with these agencies? Dude, just do a simple Google search. Find their phone numbers, call them one by one. अब bro, थोड़ा hustle तो करना पड़ेगा. Or if they have an online registration form, fill it, give your preferences, then contact you as soon as the jobs come in. I stay in West London, so these are some of the agencies I use when looking for part-time gigs. Agency बता दिया, documents बता दिया, time period बता दिया. हाँ, one very important point. Know your minimum pay. It will help you negotiate your hourly salary. Now you must be thinking, which job will get you the maximum salary? Well, uska to pata nahi, but these are some lucrative categories of jobs for students. Retail jobs, warehouse jobs, good pay, and the weekly hours are in chunks of 10, so you can easily finish your 20 working hours with just one job and make good money. Care home assistants, flexible work hours, you can even adjust them according to your term timings, pays around £12 per hour, and some of them even provide subsidized commuting to work. And jobs within your very own university. पढ़ लिया? Now let's quickly move on to internships and skill jobs. ज़्यादा कुछ difference नहीं है. The same agency logic applies here as well. But the agencies are not the same. These agencies have a wider database and a better online presence. So you can easily find them on, surprise, surprise, LinkedIn. I know, थोड़ा generic है, but this is what works. Unless you have a friend जो तुम्हारा reference डाल सकता है, or your college के internship cells. But please note that college के internship cells usually cater to final year students. और तुम्हारे पास friends नहीं है तो कोई बात नहीं, इतना कुछ important भी नहीं है. Just find agencies near you, follow them on LinkedIn. They post jobs every single week. It's easy. सब हो गया ना? Okay, one very important thing, and this is of the script. Please change your LinkedIn profile picture. No one wants to see your first orientation picture in an oversized suit. Come on. Also, don't answer the application questions on your own. This is not 2021. Use AI. Here are some videos that will help you figure out what exact prompts to write to get the best answer.
Arnav, there's a customer waiting in line for you. What are you doing?
Yes, be there in a sec. As you can hear, I gotta go. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know in the comments below and let Web know as well. Okay, bye.